Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be sharing a detailed research report on Angel One. This is the content of the report: introduction, sector analysis, charts, recommendation, vision, recent quarter results, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statements, credit ratings, comparison with peers, shareholding pattern, major products, future plans, conclusion, and then source. So let's start. Introduction. Angel One Limited, previously known as Angel Broking Limited, is a full-time brokerage firm in India established in 1987. The company has evolved from traditional broking services into a comprehensive digital-first financial services platform. It offers a wide range of products and services including stock broking, mutual funds, investments, insurance, loans, and margin trading. The company is known for its tech-driven approach, which is exemplified by its flagship Super App. Angel One has seen significant growth over the past few years, driven by its transition to digital services and growing participation of retail investors in the stock market. To further its position in the financial service industry, Angel One plans to raise 2,000 crores to tap into opportunities in the fintech space. With a strong focus on innovation and customer experience, Angel One continues to be a prominent player in India's financial services sector, catering to millions of clients with its comprehensive and accessible financial solutions. So this sector analysis. Indian stock market rally made investors 80.62 lakh crores in 2023, and Sensex reached an all-time high of 76,009 on May 27, 2024. The number of Demat accounts in India reached 154 million in April 2024. The number of companies listed on BSE increased from 135 in 1995 to 5,357 as of March 2024. According to the statistics by the Futures Industry Association (FIA), a derivatives trading association, the National Stock Exchange Limited (NSE) emerged as the world's largest derivative exchange in 2020 in terms of number of contracts traded. NSE was ranked 4th worldwide in cash equities by number of trades as per the statistics maintained by the World Federation of Exchanges (WFE) for CY 2020. India has scored a perfect 10 in protecting shareholders' rights on the back of reforms implemented by the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business 2020 report. This is the graph which shows listed companies on major stock exchanges in Asia Pacific countries. So these are the charts of companies listed in NSE and BSE and amount raised by IPOs in US billion dollars. In financial year 24 as of March 2024, the number of listed companies on the NSE and BSE were 2,190 and 5,357 respectively. In financial year 2022, US $14.55 billion were raised across 127 initial public offerings. In financial year 23, $7 billion were raised. In current year 2023, a total of 220 public issues were launched, raising $6.9 billion. The December quarter in 23 was a remarkable phase for the primary market in India, with the launch of 92 IPOs, including 62 from the small and medium enterprises and 31 main board public issues. The number of high net worth individuals in India reached 7,97,714 by the end of 2022. Between 2014 and 2020, the number of high net worth individuals in India posted a steady rise, increasing in a CAGR of 4.1%. By the end of 2025, global high net worth individuals' wealth is estimated to grow over $100 trillion. India is expected to have 16.57 lakh high net worth individuals in 2027. High net worth individuals' households grew at an even faster rate until 2019, growing at a CAGR of about 21.5%. Advisory, asset management, and tax planning have one of the highest demands among wealth management services by HNWIs. This is followed by financial planning. India is expected to be the 4th largest private wealth market globally by 2028. This is the graph of how the high net worth individuals have grown in India. We can see a phenomenal rise from 2021 to 2022 only, and 2027 precast is amazing. Continued growth in equities and derivative products. The Indian equity market expanding in terms of listed companies and market capitalization, widening the playing field for brokerage firms. Sophisticated product segment is growing rapidly, reflected in the steep rise and growth of derivatives trading. There is a graph of total turnover of derivative segments in US trillion dollars. In the last 3 years, it has doubled every year. Financial 2022, it was $204.73 trillion. In 23, it was $461 trillion. And in 2024, it is expected to double even that, $947.24 trillion. This is the technical charts. As you can see, the stock was in continuous downtrend. It has shown a good recovery and made a base. It has broken a short-term downside trend line, so we can take it as a double confirmation. Taking these things in consideration, we can expect a good upside from this counter. This is a recommendation. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. This research report is solely for education and training purposes. So this company's vision and mission. Vision is to follow highest standards of ethics and compliances while facilitating the trading by clients in securities in a fair and transparent manner. And the mission to provide high quality and dependable services through innovation, capacity enhancement, and use of technology. To establish and maintain esteem and trust and ethics with the investors. To observe highest standards of compliances and transparency. And to always keep protection of investors' interest as goal while providing services. These are the recent quarter results. The company has shown increase in sales. Operating margin is very well with average 30% minimum. Profit and loss statement for last few years. Company has shown a continuous growth in sales as well as net profit. EPS has grown. Last year, company paid a 26% dividend payout from the EPS. Balance sheet. Company has a good amount of reserves. Company has a liability as well, but this is due to their future planning of growing their business. Cash flow statement. Recently, company has a good amount of cash flow. Also, the company has a credit rating of A+ from the CARE Edge Ratings. Comparison with peers. The median ROC is 20.41, but the company is currently at least double than that, 38.7, which is huge. Shareholding pattern. Promoters have decreased their shareholding by 3%, but DIIs have increased their shareholding by 6%. Major mutual funds managing firms like Nippon Life and Motilal Oswal. The key products of the company: Angel One Super App. These are its key features, which is unified dashboard, equity and commodity trading, mutual funds, investment advisory, portfolio management, research and analysis. These are the functions that they provide through this app. The second product is Angel One Trade, which is web trading for pro traders. These are the functions: paperless KYC, enhanced security, zero hidden charges, seamless and complete trading experience. This is the third product, Smart API. This includes algo and trading with the help of AI. The company is planning to invest huge amount in this. Future plans of Angel One. Expansion into fintech. Angel One is raising approximately 2,000 crore to capitalize on opportunities in the fintech sector. The company plans to broaden its products offering beyond traditional equity and mutual funds by including credit and fixed financial services like investing, trading, mutual fund, insurance, and loans. Super App development and asset management business. Angel One plans to enter the asset management business as a new venture. The company is trying to make a subsidiary company. This is a part of its broader strategy to diversify its revenue streams and strengthen its presence in financial services industry. So, conclusion: Angel One has demonstrated significant growth and strategic foresight, making it a strong contender in the financial services industry. Over the past several years, the company has successfully transitioned from a traditional brokerage to a digital-first enterprise driven by its Super App. Financially, Angel One has shown a robust performance with substantial increase in operating revenue and net profit. The company's strong return ratios and reduced debt levels underscore its solid financial health. The ongoing expansion into the fintech space, coupled with strategic partnerships, is expected to further enhance its market and diversify its revenue streams. Angel One's future plans, including introduction of credit and fixed income products and the launch of an asset management business, highlight its commitment to innovation and growth. Overall, Angel One's strategic initiatives and financial resilience make it a compelling choice for investors seeking exposure to the fintech and financial services industry. This is the source from which I have get all this information: Angel One, IBEF, Screener, NSE, Care Ratings. Thank you.